Did you ever hear about Gorilla system in billing software? Today we are going to learn that. Today we are going to review about a Retail Daddy, a revolutionary retail billing software. There is ton of features are there. One feature I am going to explain in front of you. What is that? Gorilla system. Gorilla system. Normally, in any billing software, in the sales panel, like you can do either barcode scanning like that, and you can take the printout, which is first option, or in the same software, you can go to the touch interface system like a Rubik POS, go to Rubik POS, any product, you can touch like that, see this one? And here you can click on quick pay button. Immediately you will get the invoice. This is the normal practice. But here what is going on? You need to upload all these products into the software. For example, your shop is very big, very huge. Example, garments, such kind of business. It is impossible to upload all the products through inventory. But you may know the price, the selling price, you are aware. Which any product, any customer, they bring the, garments or whatever it is, you know what the price it is, right? So this is we are going to experience today. It's called Gorilla platform. What is that? Let me go to the Gorilla. Let me go to Gorilla system. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add two products over here. Click on new button. I'm clicking here JE, okay, G. I will putting JENS, jeans, Louis, LEWI, Louis, whatever it is, JE, Louis, okay, and I click on enter, that's it. One more product I am adding, SH, only SH, and enter, SHIRT for men. Okay, that's it. Enter. What I done? Nothing. Let me show you the magic. Close it. When the customer is coming, go to the sales panel over here. Enable this button. Click on enable and SH 600. Enter. Look at that. SH 900. Enter. SH 125. What is going on? What is going on? JE 400. Enter. JE 600. Enter. Something is going on. Let me show you what is that. Go to the quick pay button over here. See this magic. Now look at the magic. Let me show you. Shirt for men, one piece 600 rupees. Shirt for men, one piece 900 rupees. Shirt for men, one piece 125 rupees. Jeans, Louis, whatever. And it is two pieces we added, like 400 rupees and 600 rupees. How is that? For example, you have 40,000, 50,000 products inventory. You may need to add a 10 or 15 category over there. At the time of selling, you can directly enter the price. For example, let me show you once again. Go here. JE. JE is the code. And for example, 900 rupees. Enter. And SH 600 rupees, whatever, dollar, whatever it is. Click on quick pay and you are here. See, it's 900 and 600. Your decided price, means what price you fixing at the time of selling, you can do that. In case, when you are adding such products, you want to create barcode label also. Yes, of course it is possible. For example, go to Gorilla again. Go to Gorilla again. And the same shirt which we added, shirt and jeans, if you want to create a barcode label on a particular price, what you can do? Go here, in the same line, go here, the same line, up the end, click on any price, like 800 rupees. Example, look at this. I'm clicking on enter button. See the magic? The barcode came directly. And let me print it out. For example, I'm increasing the quantity over here, how many pieces you need. And click on apply and print. Like, see the barcode label is coming. Very nice, very beautiful. You can fix these barcodes. Like, let me show you. See this? See these labels? When you scan this product, this barcode label, you can fix these labels to each one of your products. And when you are selling the products, go to the sales panel over here, like that. And click on that. And I'm just scanning the barcode over here. Just scan it. That's it. And click on Quick Pay. And your invoice is here ready available. Look at this. How simple it is. How simple it is. Beautiful, no? So in case if you want to produce a barcode label for your products, very easy. And let me go to the inventory system, like the reporting system. Go to the records, go to the tax reports, and here you go sales registers, purchase, sales register item wise. Here you will get all the, including, see, look at this product. Shirt format, just be added, jeans, just be added now, Louis. And let me go to the GST section. It is like 2.5%, 2.5%, 5% we added. Like, see the magic. Like, it's a beautiful technology. All reports, all records, everything will work in this system. So, if you go to any reports or records, see this reports, see this records. Like, let me open the records and reports. Everywhere you will find all the sale reports, everything. In case if you want to add more inventory on the same product, of course it is possible. Like purchase entry, you can purchase the same product again. You don't want to add again that product. In the same product you can purchase it. For example, I select a supplier like James, like Louis. See this one? Over here, just select it, how many pieces you want to purchase. Like you can 100 pieces. And if you want to change the price or something, or you can change it. Click on add button over here, add, and just save it. That's it. Your purchase is ready now. So if you go to the records and stock in hand, look at this stock in hand. And product name JE jeans Louis, 100 pieces available here. See, that's the technology. And let me show you one more thing, very important. Like in the Gorilla, you did not add any GST, you did not add any unit. So how it came automatically? Let me show you. It's already here. It's visible over here. The unit and the unit and the GST tax. So where you need to go? Go to the set default. There is all this available. You can the available the things you can make it default. Like, for example, which category if you want, like for example, for any category you can create over here in the software. You can select any category such as make it as a default, like cosmetics, set as a default. And the units, a lot of units are there. Like if for example kilograms, you are using kilogram, where it is kilogram. If you are using kilogram, you can select kilograms. Like for example, if you are using numbers, you can select numbers. Let me show you pieces. Pieces, like see, set to default. And come to the tax section. Which tax which you are going to use? For example, 12%, set to default. Like for example, if you are going to add any new products over here, Now see, automatically came 12 over here and pieces. Like for example, t-shirt, like I just put a T and enter T-shirt, Adidas, Adidas. Okay, enter successfully. Let me close it. Go to the sales panel. Go to the sales panel, and let me show you here. Watch on here. T 700. What is that? T 700. Like enter, and just click on this button. Quick pay. Like see, T-shirt Adidas 700 sale is already done, and in your entire reporting system, it will go like records. Go to the tax reports, sale register, item wise. Go down and see this. What is that? T-shirts, and we added 12%, right? So 6 plus 6 you will find over here in the GST. See, 6%, 6%. The amount of GST, CGST and SGST will calculate it automatically. So you will get all GST report, including sale report, in how many pieces you sold out, or each and every reporting system will work through this Gorilla system. So how do you feel about this system? That's my question. How do you feel it? Comment me on the comment box, and please subscribe this channel for such kind of revolutionary technologies. We are from RAINTECH Software Limited, and our team and our customer care service available on 24/7. Yes, we are day and night. We are working for to grow your business. So this is the clear information, a clear message I want to pass. See this here we saw only one feature in retail ID billing software. There is such kind of hundreds and hundreds of features are available to simplify your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome to Retail Daddy.